Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a geolocation field in Salesforce CRM topic. Our geolocation field is used to store location, latitude and longitude coordinates directly in Salesforce. So this feature is very useful when your business needs to track customer location, to store office location, find nearby customers, calculate distance, or integrate with Google Maps and other location-based services. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First, we need to start with what is geolocation field. A geolocation field is a special Salesforce field data type that stores geographic coordinates. So instead of storing a location as plain text like Mysore, Karnataka, Bangalore, Salesforce stores like latitude. For example, latitude 12.2958, longitude 76.6394 like this. So using these coordinates, Salesforce can calculate distance between locations. So then how we can create that? For example, we need one requirement. So currently I have a lead object. So for this lead object, I need to store the geolocation of the customer. So in this lead object, I need to create the geolocation field because I need to store the customer location. So that's why. So how we can do that? So simply click on gear icon, click on edit object. So in here, we need to navigate to fields and relationships. Click on new. So in here, we need to select the data type. So our data type is geolocation. So that's why you just scroll below, you will see like geolocation option. So we have a description like allows user to define the location, includes latitude and longitude components and can be used to calculate distance. So we need to select that one, geolocation, then click on next. We need to give the label name. So I will give it as customer location. So then in below we have something like latitude and longitude display notation. Currently we have some option like degrees, minutes, seconds and decimal. So the more decimal places you use, the more accurate the location becomes. For example, most organizations use 6 as the decimal number. So what I will do, I will simply select decimal as 6. So then I will type 6. After configuration, you need to click on next. So then click on visible, again click on next, then click on next, then click on save. Now the field creation is successful. So now we need to arrange that field in page layout. So open page layouts, click on lead page layouts. So then in type customer location because our label name is customer location. So here we have a customer location. So what I will do, I will simply drag into the address information section. So then click on save. So once you click on save, we need to check this is working properly or not. So how we can check? Go back to your lead object. Again, hard refresh once. First, we need to click on new button. We need to create new record. So in here, you just scroll below. Here you can see there is two things. Customer location. We have a latitude and longitude. So based on this, Salesforce store the location. So for example, I will enter like 12.2958 29 and longitude I will enter like 76.6394. So then I will click on save. Yeah, like this, Salesforce store the location. So yeah, this is how we can create geolocation field in Salesforce. This is a powerful Salesforce feature for business that work location-based data. Whenever you are managing customer delivery location, service technicians, or properties, geolocation field helps you to store accurate coordinates and perform distance calculation directly in Salesforce. So I hope you clearly understand how we can create a geolocation field in Salesforce and its users. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.